90.4 FM. Bajao.
Welcome listeners to the auditions of Raga the Voice Hunt. Here at Raga, we try to celebrate singing as an act of expression, a medium of joy. We celebrate voices. Raga will be a 4-stage process. Auditions will be followed by 3 rounds of competition and a final round. So, let's get started. Auditioning for Raga the Voice Hunt is Rajiv Wonkar, who is the Associate Professor at School of Computer and Information. Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Hello.
We're glad to have you here. What made you apply for Raga?
No, actually, it was an initiative taken by students, for students and faculty members. And I'm really interested. This is something which I love from my childhood. So I thought I will just come down here and do something which I really like to do.
That's nice. What are the songs you've come prepared with?
I would sing a song from Manzil. It's Rim Jim Gire Sawan. It's one very close to my heart. Actually, I really like this song. Apart from that, I would be singing a song. It's a Musafir Hu Yaro Na Ghar Hai Na Thikana. It's from Parichay. The reason being I'm a fan of R.D. Burman. And I really like R.D. Burman and Kishore combination. So these are the 2 songs. Apart from that, I'll just go and see how I go with 2 songs, and then I'll decide about the third one. So,
are you ready to start with your first song?
Yeah, sure.
Please do.
Rim jim gire sawan, sulag sulag jaye man, भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती हैं बूंदें, अरमा हमारे पल के नमूंदे, जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदें, अरमा हमारे पल के नमूंदे, कैसे देखे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से, महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से, हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन.
FM. Bajao.
అరే గోపి, ఏంట్రా చేతిలో అన్ని ప్లాస్టిక్ కవర్లు?
షాపింగ్కి వెళ్ళానురా.
ప్లాస్టిక్ వలన పర్యావరణానికి ఎంత నష్టమో నీకు తెలీదా? ప్లాస్టిక్ భూమిలో కరగదు, ఒకవేళ కరిగినా చాలా కాలుష్యాన్ని కలుగజేస్తుంది. పేపర్ బ్యాగులను వాడదాం, ప్లాస్టిక్ వాడకాన్ని తగ్గిద్దాం, పర్యావరణాన్ని కాపాడుకుందాం.
మన దేశంలో 3,56,333 రకాల మేకలు ఉన్నాయి. 420 రకాల రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉన్నారా?
దాంట్లో ఇద్దరు నిజాయితీ పరులతో 16 మంది అటు ఇటు కాకున్నారు. మరి చూసినట్లయితే
బోల్ హైదరాబాద్ 90.4 FM. సొల్లు తక్కువ మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ. బజావ్
అంతే.
You said you were always interested in singing, right? So did you ever get professional training, or has it always been out of pure interest?
Actually, I belong to a music family. My uncle was a principal in music college in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain. My father is a music teacher, and now he's retired, but he still practice music. My aunt is a music teacher. I never took any formal training for music, but just listening to them, I've been there because they're in the Indian classical. So they are Indian classical, and I didn't take any practice.
So you said you really liked singing, right?
Yeah.
So how come you have not been associated with the rest of your family in singing?
It's a difficult questions to answer rather. Somehow I maybe like I don't know, something which I was also interested in studying computer science. So I did my graduation, then PG, and then PhD, and then I kept it as another hobby for me.
Okay.
As music.
All right. Are you ready to start with your second song?
Yeah, I can. मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. एक राह रुक गई तो और जुड़ गई, मैं मुड़ा तो साथ साथ राह मुड़ गई. हवा के परों पर मेरा आशियाना, मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, न घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. दिन ने हाथ थाम कर इधर बिठा लिया, रात ने इशारे से उधर बुला लिया. सुबह से शाम से मेरा दोस्ताना, मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, न घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, न घर है ना ठिकाना, बस चलते जाना.
.4 FM बजाओ.
तुम्हें पता है जनगणना में आज लड़कियों की संख्या दिन ब दिन घटती जा रही है. उसका कारण लिंग जांच. जो इसे करवाएगा और जो डॉक्टर इसे करेगा जुर्माना भरेगा। लिंग जांच कानूनन अपराध है।
మరో దశలో 3,50,5333 రకాల మేకలు ఉన్నాయి. 420 రకాల రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉన్నారా? దాంట్లో 2 నిజాయితీ పరులతో 16 మంది అటు ఇటు కాకున్నారు. మరి చూసినట్లయితే
బోల్ హైదరాబాద్ 90.4 FM. సొల్లు తక్కువ మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ బజావ్
అంతే.
Have you ever performed somewhere before, or have you taken part in any competitions?
Yeah, actually, I studied in a remote place in Madhya Pradesh. It's a small town known as Beaura, and I was encouraged from the beginning, it's childhood itself. And when I was in 9th and 10th standard, I took part in a state level music competition where I got the 3rd prize, but that was a semi-classical kind of thing. Later on, as a hobby, I was singing at many places. I was working in North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, where I was used to. There was a big orchestra there, and of students and faculty members. So I was used to perform there also along with them. So I've been doing it like.
Okay. So what's your third song for us?
Third song is a very different song from 2 different other songs which I sang actually. It's from Aradhna, and it's a combination of Rajesh Khanna, Sharmila Tagore, R.D. Burman, Anand Bakshi. I really love it. Maybe I do not know whether it is a platform to sing or not, but I will just start it. रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए, रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है, रात नशीली मस्त समा है, आज नशे में सारा जहां है, हाय शराबी मौसम बहकाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए, आँखों से आँखें मिलती हैं ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे, आँखों से आँखें मिलती हैं ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे, मौज कोई साहिल से टकराए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए, रोक रहा है हमको जमाना, दूर ही रहना पास न आना, रोक रहा है हमको जमाना, दूर ही रहना पास न आना, कैसे मगर कोई दिल को समझाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना.
Absolutely no platform worries. I'm sure you'll have a lot of people singing and dancing along to that.
Let us see.
Thank you so much for
Thank you very
participating
much
with us.
for allowing me to come here and come into this audition. Thanks a lot to the whole group actually, those who are behind the scene, who are recording, and my other colleagues, friends, and thank you very much.
Thank you for coming and performing, and we wish you good luck.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
90.4 FM बजाओ।
అయ్యో, మీ విద్యుత్ పరికరాలను కాపాడుకోవడానికి మీ ఇంటికి ఎర్తింగ్ చేయించండి.
మన దశలో 3,56,333 రకాల మేకలు ఉన్నాయి. 420 రకాల రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉన్నారా? దాంట్లో 2 నిజాయితీ పరులతో 16 మంది అటు ఇటు కాకున్నారు. మరి చూసినట్లయితే
బోల్ హైదరాబాద్ 90.4 FM. సొల్లు తక్కువ, మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ. బజావ్
అంతే.
Today's participant on Raga, the voice hunt, is Rathor Dhwanit, and he is pursuing his MSc Chemistry at the University of Hyderabad. Hi, Rathor.
Hello. Dhwanit.
Okay. So, what are the 3 songs you'll be?
My first song will be Mairi. It's a song from band Euphoria. And second will be a song from movie Kahani. It's Ekla Chalo Re. And final song would be Pani Da Rang Veke from Biggie Donor.
Would you like to get started?
Sure. The first song is Mairi. तेरी याद मेरी याद भूल गया हाँ रे तेजीत रे माए की करना मैं जीत नू होवे ना जेमीत बिंदिया लगाती तो कांपती थी पलके मायरी चुन्निया सजा के वो देती वादे कल के मायरी फिर से मैं बोलूं फिर वो गाए ठंडी हवाएं बन के चाय मायरी आप ही हंसदी मायरी आप ही रोंदी मायरी याद वो आयरी गल्लां कर दी मायरी अख नाल लड़दी मायरी याद वो आयरी अब क्या करूं कासे कहूं रे मायरी हो अब क्या करूं कासे कहूं रे मायरी बारिशों में लिपट के माँ आती थी वो चल के मायरी देरिया हो जाए तो रोती हल्के हल्के मायरी फिर से मैं बोलूं फिर वो गाए ठंडी हवाएं बन के चाय मायरी आप ही हंसदी मायरी आप ही रोंदी मायरी याद वो आयरी भूल गई मेरा प्यार माए बस लगे महीने 4 मायरी याद वो आयरी अब क्या करूं कासे कहूं रे मायरी अब क्या करूं कासे कहूं रे मायरी
90.4 FM बजाओ।
The roads are becoming such an issue during the rains. There's waterlogging everywhere and traffic jam.
Very true. And even the roof of some bus stops were leaking. I even heard some government schools had similar problems. It's all so messy. What are you complaining about? Be a part of the change you wish for. Volunteer with Freedom Under Construction in Begumpet. For more details, visit their website www.freedomunderconstruction.com.
మన దశలో 3,56,333 రకాల మేకలు ఉన్నాయి. 420 రకాల రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉన్నారా? దాంట్లో 2 నిజాయితీ పరులతో 16 మంది అటు ఇటు కాకున్నారు. మరి చూసినట్లయితే
బోల్ హైదరాబాద్ 90.4 FM. సొల్లు తక్కువ మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ. బజావ్
అంతే.
So why did you choose to participate in Raga?
I had no intention about it. I was going through the page of Raga and I saw there's a competition, so I just registered and I came here.
So is singing more of a hobby, or did you ever receive professional training?
No, it's just a hobby. I never received any training or something. I just listen and try to copy it.
Would you like to start with your second song?
Fine. My next song is Ekla Chalo Re from Kahani. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, ও তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, ও তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ও রে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না করে, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে তবে পরাণ খুলে হো তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, হো তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, जब काली घटा छाए ओरे ओ रे ओ अंधेरा सच को निगल जाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए, तू शोला बन जा वो शोला बन जा जो खुद जल के जहां रोशन कर दे एकला जलो रे, हो जो खुद जल के जहां रोशन कर दे एकला जलो रे, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে।
.4 FM बजाओ।
లక్ష్మి ఓ లక్ష్మి ఏడునవే, టైం అవుతుంది పనికి పోవాలి.
నాయనా నేను పనికి రాను, నేను బడికి పోతా.
బడికి పోతావు? చల్ బడిలేదేం లేదు, నడు పనికి పోవాలి.
నాయనా నా దోస్తులందరు బడికి పోతుండ్రు, నేను కూడా బడికే పోతా. నేను పనికి రాను, నేను పనికి రాను.
నడు వెళ్ళాకు, నడు పనికి పోవాలి.
ఏం మనిషా నువ్వు? బిడ్డ చదువుకుంటానంటే పనికి తీసుకుపోతానంటావా? విద్యా హక్కు చట్టం గురించి తెలియదా నీకు?
అదేందయ్యా?
14 సంవత్సరాల పిల్లల్ని పనిలో పెట్టుకున్నా పనికి తీసుకపోయినా నేరం అని తెలియదా నీకు?
తెలియదయ్యా.
రేపటి నుంచి లక్ష్మిని బడికి తీసుకపో.
అట్లనే అయ్యా.
మన దశలో 3,56,333 రకాల మేకలు ఉన్నాయి. 420 రకాల రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉన్నారా? దాంట్లో 2 నిజాయితీ పరులతో 16 మంది అటు ఇటు కాకున్నారు. మరి చూసినట్లయితే
బోల్ హైదరాబాద్ 90.4 FM. సొల్లు తక్కువ మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ. బజావ్
అంతే.
Why did you choose the 3 songs that you did choose?
First song is a favorite. Means from the first day I heard it, it was like touched my soul, and it was one of my favorites. And the second one is very inspiring song. So whenever you feel lonely or kind of low, I just play the song in here and feel very good about it. And the final song which I'll be singing that's also very kind of it brings a very lively feeling whenever I hear, and it's a very sweet song. I just love the lyrics and music of the third song. So these are the reasons why I chose the 3.
Is there any favorite genre that you have? Favorite kind of songs?
No, anything that sounds nice and suits me and suits my mood at that time. So I don't follow a particular genre. I follow the mood, the kind of song I want to listen, and just that kind of songs.
Okay. Are you ready with your third song?
Yeah. पानी दा रंग वेख के, पानी दा रंग वेख के, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, हो अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, पानी दा रंग वेख के, पानी दा रंग वेख के, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, रांझड़ाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, रांझड़ाना आया, अखां दा नूर वेख के, अखां दा नूर वेख के, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, कोठे उत्ते वह के अखियां मिलांदे, ना जाना मैनू कभी छोड़, हो तेरे उत्ते मरदी, प्यार तैनू कर दी, मिलेगा तुझे ना कोई और, तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के, तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के, मेरी अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, हो अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, पानी दा रंग वेख के, पानी दा रंग वेख के, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे, अखियां नु हंजूरन दे. Okay.
That was a nice performance.
Thank you.
That's all for today. Catch our next contestants at 5 p.m. next Saturday. Busy this weekend? Catch our repeat broadcast at 8:30 p.m. on Tuesdays. Keep listening to Bol Hyderabad 90.4 FM. Bajao.
.4 FM. Bajao.